How to add extra baggage on Qatar Airways. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can add extra baggage on Qatar Airways. Alright, so if this is your question, ensure you watch this video to the end so that you will not miss any important information. So to add extra baggage on Qatar Airways, you can pre-purchase additional baggage allowance online, which can save you up to 20% charge compared to airport rate. And then how can you do this? The first step, all right, is to log in into your Qatar Airways baggage page. And then how can you do that? You can just do that by opening a new tab. Go to your web browser, click on the plus icon here, open a new tab, and type out Qatar Airways baggage. But instead, you can also do that if you've already booked a flight. Okay, so if you've already booked a flight, you don't need to go to Qatar Airways baggage page. On this same page, scroll down and select manage/check-in. Now, once you've selected manage booking, the next step is to enter the booking reference and your last name. Then once you've done that, be taken to the page where you will see your flight. Then select the flight that you would like to add an extra baggage for. After selecting the flight, you would locate the option purchase additional baggage. All right, just locate the option and then click on it. Then once you click on it, follow the instructions being displayed and select the amount of extra baggage you need, and then complete the package. All right, and sorry, complete the purchase. All right, and then you have to remember that the fees for extra baggage depend on the region included in your route. All right, and then you can purchase increments in size for your baggage. So this is how it works. Okay, this is how you can add extra baggage on Qatar Airways. Very simple, and sure you try it out today. Thanks for watching.